In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for PC Financial Mastercard. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in pcfinancial.ca. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of PC Financial. At top, you'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find this option for credit cards. What you have to do is click on it. Now, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, PC Mastercard. Now, you'll be able to see the information regarding PC Mastercard over here. What you have to do is simply click on this option, apply now, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to another interface. From this interface, you'll be able to apply for a PC Mastercard. In order to complete your application, you'll need to be a resident of Canada, to be the age of majority in your province or territory. Also, there are some optional information that you may need. You may need your social insurance number. Also, you may need your PC optimum number. So what you have to do is scroll down. You'll be able to find two options over here. Apply as a new customer, apply as an existing customer. If you already have the account, click on this option, apply as an existing customer. If you're a new customer, click on this option, apply as a new customer. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the application disclosure summary. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Make sure to read these informations carefully. Now check on this box. You're basically agreeing to have read the application disclosure summary. Now click on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you can start your application. First of all, you have to provide your personal information. After you do that, you'll also have to provide the contact information. Along with that, in another interface, you'll have to provide the address, employment status, account options. You'll also have to link PC Optimum. After that, finally, you'll be able to review the application. So first of all, select the title. Click on the field of title and select the title over here. Likewise, enter the first name. Now also enter the last name. Now what you have to do is enter the date of birth. Click on the field of date of birth. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the day. Now enter the year. Now what you have to do is also provide other information. These are completely optional. If you want, you can enter the referral code and SIN over here. Now after you provide the personal information, click on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is provide your contact information. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter the email address over here. Likewise, enter your primary phone number. Make sure to enter a valid phone number. Now after you do that, you'll also have to select the language preference. Right now English is selected. Click on it and select the language of your choice. Now click on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to add your address. What you have to do is simply enter your address over here. You can also search for your address, or you can also enter the address manually if you want. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to search for the address. Now after you do that, you can see over here your address will be filled. Simply scroll down. Now you'll be able to see this question over here. How many full years have you lived at this address? Simply click on this field. Now enter your answer over here. Now also you'll be able to see this question. Do you rent or own your home? Simply click on this field. Now select the option of your choice. Now also enter your monthly rent or mortgage over here. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to tell them about your employment. What you have to do is simply select your employment status. According to the employment status that you select, you'll also have to provide other informations as well. Also enter your employer. Now enter your income over here. Enter your personal annual income. Now also enter your total annual household income over here. Now once you do that, click on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the account options interface. You can add the additional card holders if you want. You'll be able to find two options. Yes, no, click on the option of your choice. Now scroll down. Now you'll be able to see this question, get payment support plan. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can choose if you want to link your PC Optimum digital card or not. You can see two options, yes, no. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now finally, you'll be able to see the terms and consents over here. Make sure to read these informations very carefully. After you do that, scroll down. Now what you have to do is check on both the boxes that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to the privacy terms. Also in the second box, you're agreeing to the application terms and conditions. Now what you have to do is click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your application is being submitted. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here your application has been submitted. PC Financial will review your application and if approved, you'll receive your card in the mail in 7 to 10 business days. So like this, you'll be able to apply for the Mastercard. So that is how you apply for PC Financial Mastercard. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.